What's up, guys? I installed the Subaru OEM fog light kit by Subi Mods, and this is what it looks like. So came with the bezel, came with the fog lights, came with everything you need. Here's the bracket, and so you got to take the bumper off to get to the whole assembly. Once you have these installed, so here's both sides, you got to come to the harnesses and you got to untag the harness with the blue tape. This harness with the pink tape is for your LED driving lights. If you were to have bought that kit where the LED driving lights go here, but this customer didn't go with that option. He just wanted the OEM fog light. So they're strapped away right here on the side. Come around this way. And we gotta locate the one over here. So here it is. There's it right here. You just tug in it and there you go. Ready to rock and roll. So the nice thing about this kit is it comes with the relay. So it's literally plug and play. You come to the passenger side relay box and you just locate which housing it goes into. And underneath the box cover, it has a diagram. So right here, we're gonna find front fog relay. That's the fourth one up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be it, yeah. And we just line it up. And boom. We should have fog lights. Let's test it out. Alright, there's probably a button we gotta push. So I threw away my instructions. I went ahead and pulled apart this guy, and there you have it. There's a harness, and this was in the box right here. Is your fog light switch. Yeah, 12 years and I'm still throwing instructions away. Hey guys, I installed the fog light switch, and I think round 2 we'll have success. There's the switch, and so we'll put the key in. Boom. Lights are on. Oh, I think we got some lights. All right, check it out. Bam.